Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I've got my latest Stitch Fix box to share with you. Our sassy little friend Lexi is running around somewhere in the background. She may join us. She's been very sassy lately, huh? So it feels so long since my last Stitch Fix box, but I guess it really hasn't been. I know, I just love my Stitch Fix boxes. It's supposed to come on the 2nd. Today is the 11th. It came yesterday, so a little bit late, but that's okay. I have an awesome stylist named Amanda who I never want to lose. I hope that she never leaves and they never switch me because she does a great job. She really gets my style. There's some fun pieces in this box. Ready to try things on? I am. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, we've got our little sassy friend over here. So this top is by the brand Mixed by 41 Hawthorne. This is the Mac Surplice top in navy, and it's $38. It's 100% polyester. I don't know how I feel about it. So remember I've been saying I wanted to try one of those tops that tie in the front, and I've seen this top in my Shop Your Looks, but I think it was in red, maybe it was yellow, and I almost purchased it and I just wasn't sure, and then it came in my box. So what do you think about it? I don't know, there's something about it. I wanna love it. I love the sleeves. It's almost like a 3/4 length sleeve. I think it might be the neckline that's throwing me off with this top. I think that might be what it is. I do like the pattern. I think the colors are very pretty. And then it does tie here at the waist. What do you think? I like the length of it. I just kept my own jeans on for now. I do have a pair of pants that they sent me that she says this could pair nicely with, but I actually like it better with the other top, I think. So you'll see those in a few minutes. But what do you think? I'm on the fence. The price, not bad. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna have to watch back and see. I think my only hesitation is the neckline. I know I can't have all V-necks, but I just don't know if this makes my shoulders look more broad than they are. You know what I mean? I don't know. I love the sleeves, you know? They almost have a little bit of a flare, and the sleeves are kind of cuffed. Can you see that? They're stitched too. Yeah, so the color's beautiful. This would look really pretty with white pants, even white shorts, your regular denim. I do like it. I just don't know about the neckline. I think that's what it is. The more that I'm kind of glancing over and looking. Let me show you the back. So yeah, I'm on the fence, but we'll see. Maybe when I put it on with the other pants, I'll change my mind. Let me change outfits and then maybe we'll play around after. Hang on one second. Okay, so I just had to change my bottoms to see how I would like it with a different colored bottom, and I like it. I just don't know, does the tie kind of hang in an odd place? I guess I could fix it. Maybe I could, I don't know, we could play around with it. We probably could play around with this. But I didn't have, so my white pants are in the wash, so I just threw on some white shorts just so we can get an idea of how it looks. Let me see. I mean, that's a little bit better. I don't know. I'm gonna watch back and see, but I think it definitely looks better with a lighter colored bottom. Still unsure about the neckline. It almost seems like it's a little bit off. Here we go. I don't know. I'm not sure. You know how like, oh, I don't love it, so I should probably send it back. But I do like it with the white shorts. It does look better. I'm gonna watch back and see, and I'm gonna want your feedback too. All right, now I'm gonna put on the next top. Okay, so this next top is by the brand Westkey, and this is the Elorna tie front blouse in off-white, $42. It's 100% polyester. It's also lined. The lining is 100% polyester. This is okay. This would be a nice work blouse. This is driving me crazy. I just don't think that it's placed correctly. I don't know. I don't like, I'm kind of over the tie front tops. I'm going to let her know that. Yeah, I don't need it anymore. And this one's just, it kind of hangs very low. I don't know. I don't care for it. I love the pattern of this blouse. So it's got a dotted look to it, but the dots are more like square shaped. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see that. I think that they're so pretty. I love that about this top. I also love that it's got the sheer sleeves, so the body of the top is lined, but the sleeves are sheer. I like that look. The sleeves do have the elastic band. They're not tight to your wrist, so it shouldn't bother you. It does have a keyhole detail. Yeah, I'm just not crazy. It's kind of like shifting. It's just strangely placed, huh? I don't know. And it's creating like a pouch. Yeah, that's not a good look for me. But that's all right. Maybe if it didn't have this tie, here, let's hide it. You know, if it didn't have that, I know you could see it, but a little bit better. I can probably cut it off and sew it or something, right? I don't know. It's okay though. It's just not like screaming, keep me. All right, let me show you the back of it. Yeah, this one's gonna go back, but you know, I think maybe if it was, like I said, didn't have the tie, I mean, we hid the tie, but cute with black pants, cute with red pants too, but I am gonna send this one back. All right, I'm gonna change into the next top. Okay, so I totally got the name of the first top wrong. The right name's gonna be across the screen. This is the Mix by 41 Hawthorn Surplice top, 100% rayon, $38, and what am I missing? The color's navy. Oops, sorry, Lexi. I almost knocked her. Oh, now she's trying to knock me down. So I like the colors of this top. I like the pattern of this top. I just don't care for the spaghetti straps of this top. I wish it had like a regular tank style. You know, I'm not, if a top is really, really special, I'm not opposed to wearing a special bra. Strapless bra, I should say. But I don't know. I mean, I guess this would be cute for layering and things like that, but has the wrap style. There's just something I'm not crazy about, and it's definitely the straps. That's what's throwing me off. I do like the length of this top. I'll show you the back. The back has like the racer back kind of style to it, I would call it. Let me show you. So it's definitely cute. It doesn't scream keep me, you know? Nothing really has to me. I hate to say it. The first top maybe, but really nothing is screaming like you gotta keep me. Are you feeling me with this one? I don't know. It's not bad. It's definitely not bad. It's just not quite there, right? All right, that's okay. That's all right. Let me show you the pants. I'm not a fan of the pants either. Oh gosh. All right, let me turn the camera down. Hang on one second. Okay, so the pants are by Liverpool, and they are the Ryder straight leg trouser in pale yellow. They're a size 16, $88. I'm willing to pay for pants if they're special and they look great. These don't fit me right. I mean, they fit across like the waist. They're just kind of, maybe the fit's not what I'm trying to say. I think the fit's right. I just don't care for the cuffs at the ankle. I don't know. I just don't think that they're a good look for me. You know what I mean? It just doesn't, they've got pockets. I like the color. I think the color's very nice for summertime. And this is even a color you could bring into the fall, because to me, this is more of like a mustard, like gold yellow. Actually, I think they called the color gold yellow. I just don't love them, you know? I don't. They kind of remind me of like, I don't know, farmer pants? Maybe it's just me. Or like, I don't know, maybe I'm ready for like a day of construction work. I'm not trying to be mean. Just like how I feel in them. I don't know. What do you think? Yeah, these are gonna go back. That's all right though. All right, let me turn the camera up. I've got the necklace to show you and we'll do a quick recap. Okay, so the last thing we have to talk about with this box is the necklace. This is by Bancroft. It's the Niko Station necklace, and gold silver, $28. So here's the necklace. So the chain is gold, but it's also got these little silver, you see the silver kind of platelet type of, I don't know what you call it. So it's cute. I don't love it. I don't love it. And it comes down to about here. It's a good length. I like this length necklaces, and I like the style necklace for open cardigans. I like it for solid colored tops, you know, maybe like a solid black top or a black tank. Just for a simple look. I just don't care for, I don't think I care for this one. No, I don't know. There's nothing special about it. Can you see? Yeah, so I think I'm gonna send this one back. All right, I'll be right back and we'll do a quick recap. Okay, so what did we think? I loved the concepts in this box, but there were just things with each piece that I didn't care for. You know, the Mix by 41 Hawthorn blouse, that floral spaghetti strap blouse would have been cute, like I said, if it had the wider straps, and I wouldn't have hesitated to keep that top, and I will put that in my note so that she knows for next time, because like I said, I love the pattern, I love the colors, I just don't care for the straps. You know what I mean? And this one is the second one that I was like, oh, I'm on the fence about this one. This is the only thing. Everything else is going back. The necklace, I don't care for. The pants, I don't care for. Like I said, the Mix by 41 Hawthorn blouse is very cute. I don't think I'd pull for it, and that's why I'm sending it back. And I don't know. What do you think about this? Oh, the polka dotted blouse is going to go back too. I'm on the fence about this one. I don't know what to do about this one. And maybe because I don't know, that means I should send it back, you know? If I'm on the fence, I think it means it should go back. Let me know what you think. All right, so thank you so much for watching and for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. I've got more clothing boxes coming at you, so make sure you stay tuned. And until then, have a great day.